Hello, my friend, and welcome back. I'm Emily, and today we are going to do something powerful together. This is not just shadowing. This is mind training plus English training plus confidence training at the same time. In the next few minutes, you will repeat after me. Your voice will become stronger. Your rhythm will become faster. Your confidence will become unshakable. Shadowing is not about copying English. Shadowing is about becoming someone new through English. Take a deep breath. Inhale slowly. Exhale gently. Let's begin your transformation. Listen first, then repeat. I am ready to practice English today. I am ready to practice English today. I choose to start with a clear mind. I choose to start with a clear mind. Every small step I take makes me better. Every small step I take makes me better. I am learning at my own speed. I am learning at my own speed. I don't need to be perfect. I don't need to be perfect. I only need to keep going. I only need to keep going. I smile because I am growing. I smile because I am growing. I focus on learning, not on fear. I focus on learning, not on fear. Today, I choose confidence. Today, I choose confidence. I wake up with a fresh mind. I wake up with a fresh mind. I stretch my arms and breathe deeply. I stretch my arms and breathe deeply. I drink a glass of water. I drink a glass of water. I look at myself in the mirror. I look at myself in the mirror. I tell myself I can improve today. I tell myself I can improve today. I prepare for the day with calm energy. I prepare for the day with calm energy. I make a simple plan for my English practice. I make a simple plan for my English practice. Learning English is part of my lifestyle. Learning English is part of my lifestyle. I feel proud of the person I am becoming. I feel proud of the person I am becoming. I sit in a quiet place. I sit in a quiet place. I turn off distractions. I turn off distractions. I open my notebook or my phone. I open my notebook or my phone. I listen to each sentence carefully. I listen to each sentence carefully. I repeat with attention and patience. I repeat with attention and patience. My tongue is learning new movements. My tongue is learning new movements. My ears are training to catch sounds. My ears are training to catch sounds. My brain is creating new English pathways. My brain is creating new English pathways. I stay patient and consistent. I stay patient and consistent. I arrive at work or school on time. I arrive at work or school on time. I greet people politely. I greet people politely. I say, "Good morning. How are you?" I say, "Good morning. How are you?" I listen carefully when someone speaks. I listen carefully when someone speaks. I answer clearly and confidently. I answer clearly and confidently. If I don't understand, I ask again. If I don't understand, I ask again. I say, "Can you say that again, please?" I say, "Can you say that again, please?" I take notes to remember new words. I take notes to remember new words. I use new words in simple sentences. I use new words in simple sentences. I feel myself improving every day. I feel myself improving every day. I talk to people with a friendly smile. I talk to people with a friendly smile. I ask simple questions. I ask simple questions. I ask, "How was your day?" I ask, "How was your day?" I listen with interest. I listen with interest. I share my thoughts honestly. I share my thoughts honestly. I enjoy connecting with others. I enjoy connecting with others. Every conversation helps me grow. Every conversation helps me grow. I feel more natural each time I speak. I feel more natural each time I speak. I imagine myself traveling to a new place. I imagine myself traveling to a new place. I arrive at the airport feeling excited. I arrive at the airport feeling excited. I speak English at the check-in counter. I speak English at the check-in counter. I say, "Good morning. Here is my passport." I say, "Good morning. Here is my passport." I ask, "Which gate is my flight?" I ask, "Which gate is my flight?" I thank the staff politely. I thank the staff politely. I feel proud of my English skills. I feel proud of my English skills. I order food in English with confidence. I order food in English with confidence. I ask locals for directions politely. I ask locals for directions politely. I enjoy exploring the world with English. I enjoy exploring the world with English. I answer the phone calmly. I answer the phone calmly. I say, "Hello, this is Emily speaking." I say, "Hello, this is Emily speaking." I listen to the person carefully. I listen to the person carefully. I ask them to repeat if needed. I ask them to repeat if needed. I speak slowly and clearly. I speak slowly and clearly. I join online meetings with confidence. I join online meetings with confidence. I introduce myself politely. I introduce myself politely. I share my ideas without fear. I share my ideas without fear. I stay calm even when I make mistakes. I stay calm even when I make mistakes. I grow stronger after each meeting. I grow stronger after each meeting. Here comes the strongest part. Repeat with power. I accept my mistakes with patience. I accept my mistakes with patience. Mistakes help me grow. Mistakes help me grow. I am stronger than my fears. I am stronger than my fears. I speak even when I feel nervous. I speak even when I feel nervous. Confidence grows with practice. Confidence grows with practice. Every effort makes me better. Every effort makes me better. I am becoming fluent step by step. I am becoming fluent step by step. I am proud of my progress. I am proud of my progress. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I have big dreams for my English. I have big dreams for my English. I want to connect with people worldwide. I want to connect with people worldwide. I want to travel with confidence. I want to travel with confidence. I want to think in English naturally. I want to think in English naturally. I want to speak without fear. I want to speak without fear. I am getting closer every day. I am getting closer every day. My future self is strong and confident. My future self is strong and confident. I am becoming that person now. I am becoming that person now. You have completed a long and powerful shadowing session with me. You didn't just repeat English. You trained your mind. You trained your confidence. You trained your future self. Most people quit. You didn't. You showed discipline. I am proud of you, and you should be proud of yourself too. Say this final line with full power. I am proud of my English effort. I am proud of my English effort.